folks. I'm at Rhine Hill Farm near Kingham. Ploughing match. Got invited by the bloke who owns the field, Paul Amler. So it promises to be an alright day. Don't normally do anything on a Sunday, but I just thought I'd come down and have a look at tractors. Nice to hear them running and that. First ploughing match I've been to this year. So yeah, should be good. See you in a while. Is it a 2-cylinder?
Yeah. 1944.
Oh right. Oh okay. Did you restore it?
No, it's my dad's, but he's just had a new knee fitted.
Ah, okay.
I got thrown in the deep end last weekend with my first ever go.
Okay.
Came second.
Oh, well, not bad then.
There's only 2 of us.
Yeah. Because the John Deere traditionally back in the day used to have 2-cylinder like that, didn't they? They punched. They sort of sat level, didn't they, somehow?
Yeah. Orange thing just there. He's got a horse one. He's got a Hercules engine in.
Yes.
Horse on the inside making their own.
Right. Okay.
Well, it does got the next one up from this is slightly got this 1953. That has electric start. It goes in where that plate is back.
Oh, okay. What? But the same type?
Same engine, bigger I think, with electric start.
Oh, okay. Well done.
Otherwise, got a crank kit for hours.
Oh, mate. I think there's a definite knack to it. The old boys. I'm terrible at doing that.
Well, we had
I'm always scared of like breaking my arm.
Yeah, we had a few issues with the timing was out on the mag, and it kept kicking back when it didn't start. So we give it a full service over Christmas, New Year. And now it goes 4th, 5th, full.
Okay.
Yeah, takes the strain off me.
Yeah, they were better. I mean, they're so much better, these old ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
The stuff you had to put up with now, like just, I don't know, just unnecessary stuff. Can you imagine with the technology and the knowledge we have now?
Yeah.
Imagine what we could make in simplicity.
Yeah.
I had to change the brakes on my Transit yesterday, front disc and pads. You have to take the hubs off to do the disc.
With the rear ones, you've got to take the joints off.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, don't take both of them out at the same time. Because you'll be taking the back off the diff and putting it back in again.
Just falls out.
Yeah, it's stupid, isn't it? I mean, I'm sorry, but if you want to be environmentally friendly and if they really care about it, that is a waste of everything.
Yeah, you've got to pay someone else to do it.
It's just a total waste when it is unnecessary.
Yeah. Keep it simple.
Yeah, they do it deliberately. It's a money-making thing.
Yeah. You wouldn't find something like that out in another 20, 30 years' time. Because
Yeah. Well, it's harder to get this with stuff like that, more modern stuff. They make stuff so that it's hard to remake. It's like radiators and stuff. I don't know about that particular one.
No, really.
But the radiators, no, but they put plastic caps on them now, don't they? But do you know, one of the first jobs I ever did was one of them. When I was at school, I rebuilt, work experience, I built one of them from a crate.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember these with flat pack.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go online.
Yeah, good. Morning. Iron Horse. Morning. Yeah. Okay, hang on a minute. Coat of arms. Well, I've got Gleaner combine and Gleaner and Ransons as well. Used to have those on the combines, didn't they? On the back. What year is it?
What?
The tractor. What year was it built?
Oh, 58.
Oh, okay.
There was a chap on eBay the other day wanting to know how to do that.
Yeah, 'cause it's just a foot band on the flywheel. I remember seeing some boy years ago, he had a bit of wood on a pivot here and he was thinking,
Most dangerous.
yeah, well, you have it spinning the right way. Putting something from Star Wars.
Is this the bigger one they did?
Yeah, this is the 6.
Yeah. Right. Right. 2 reverse gears as well, yeah. Hi, morning.